Did you know that the key to better digestion, stronger immunity, and even a happier mood might be living right inside your gut? Our gut is home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that help control everything from digestion to our brain health. But how do we keep them happy and healthy? Today, we're diving deep into the world of gut health, uncovering the 6 best foods you can eat to nourish your microbiota and keep your gut thriving. This is going to change how you look at food. Welcome to Levitas. Our gut microbiota is a vast community of trillions of microorganisms that live in our digestive system. Think of it as an ecosystem within us, filled with bacteria, fungi, and even viruses. These tiny residents play a massive role in maintaining our health by aiding digestion, producing essential vitamins, fighting off harmful bacteria, regulating our immune system, improving heart health and even hair and skin. But it doesn't stop there. Recent studies have linked the health of our gut microbiota to brain health, mood, and even weight management. It's not just about digestion, our microbiota influences nearly every system in our body. So, keeping this community balanced is key to long-term health and well-being. When our gut health goes south, it can lead to a host of problems. Poor diet, stress, antibiotics and other meds, and also lack of sleep can all throw the microbiota out of balance, allowing harmful bacteria to take over. This imbalance, called dysbiosis, can lead to digestive issues like bloating, gas, and diarrhea. But the effects aren't just limited to the gut. Poor gut health has been linked to autoimmune diseases, inflammation, skin problems, mental health issues like anxiety and depression, and even obesity. Chronic inflammation due to an unhealthy gut can affect everything from heart health to brain function. This means that maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall health. Now that we know the importance of our gut and our friendly bacteria, let's talk about the foods that can nourish both. So, what are the best foods for your gut? Here are the best 6 foods that keep your gut microbiota happy and help you improve your gut health. 1. Fermented foods, like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are packed with live probiotics, the good bacteria that populate your gut. These foods introduce beneficial bacteria, like lactobacillus and bifidobacteria, that help restore balance in the gut and improve digestion. Regular consumption of fermented foods has been shown to enhance the diversity of your gut microbiome, which is essential for optimal health. Fermented foods also produce short-chain fatty acids, which fuel the cells lining your gut, reduce inflammation, and protect against digestive diseases like IBS and ulcerative colitis. It's like feeding your microbiota a banquet of good bacteria every day. 2. Fiber-rich vegetables, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, and artichokes are fantastic for your gut. Why? Because they contain high amounts of dietary fiber, which is the preferred fuel source for your gut bacteria. When you eat fiber, your microbiota breaks it down into short-chain fatty acids, which support the lining of your gut and keep inflammation under control. Not only does fiber help regulate digestion and prevent constipation, but it also increases microbial diversity, lowers the risk of colon cancer, and helps maintain a healthy weight. The more colorful veggies you eat, the happier your gut is. 3. Prebiotic foods. These kinds of foods are the ultimate gut-nourishing powerhouses. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, and unripe bananas are rich in compounds called fructans and inulin, which act as food for your gut bacteria. Prebiotics don't contain live bacteria like probiotics do, but they serve as a rich food source that encourages the growth of beneficial bacteria. Research shows that prebiotic foods help strengthen the gut barrier, prevent harmful bacteria from taking over, and support healthy immune function. Including prebiotic foods in your diet is like giving your gut bacteria the energy boost they need to thrive and multiply. 4. Whole organic grains. For this category we mainly refer to whole organic grains like oats, barley, and quinoa. These are another great source of fiber and prebiotics for your gut. These complex carbohydrates aren't digested in the small intestine. Instead, they travel to the large intestine, where your microbiota gets to work. These types of whole grains have been shown to increase the abundance of beneficial bacteria, like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli, while reducing inflammation in the gut. Studies also show that people who eat more of these foods have a more diverse microbiota, better insulin sensitivity, and a lower risk of developing chronic diseases. To keep your gut happy, these kinds of whole grains are a must. 5. Polyphenol foods. These are rich in polyphenols, including dark chocolate, green tea, blueberries, and extra virgin olive oil. They are powerful allies for your gut health. Polyphenols are fiber-like elements. They are derived from plant compounds that aren't fully absorbed in the small intestine. Instead, they reach the colon, where your gut bacteria break them down into beneficial compounds. These foods promote the growth of healthy bacteria while reducing harmful bacteria in your gut. Polyphenols also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help protect your gut lining from damage and reduce the risk of inflammatory diseases. Plus, who wouldn't want an excuse to eat more dark chocolate? 6. Bone broth. This food is a gut-healing superstar. Rich in gelatin, collagen, and amino acids like glutamine, bone broth helps to repair the gut lining and improve digestion. Glutamine, in particular, has been shown to support the growth of gut cells and reduce inflammation. If your gut lining is compromised, harmful substances can pass into your bloodstream, causing inflammation and health issues. Bone broth helps to seal these gaps, improving gut barrier function and reducing symptoms of conditions like leaky gut syndrome. It's an easy, delicious way to give your gut the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and strong. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy gut is crucial to your overall health, and neglecting it can lead to significant problems. When the balance of your gut microbiota is disrupted by poor diet, stress, medications, or lack of sleep, harmful bacteria can flourish, resulting in digestive issues like bloating, gas, and diarrhea. But the impact of poor gut health extends beyond digestion. Dysbiosis has been linked to autoimmune diseases, chronic inflammation, skin problems, obesity, and mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. This highlights the vital role of the gut in maintaining not just digestive health but overall wellness, including heart and brain health. To support and nourish your microbiota, it's essential to incorporate our recommended gut-friendly foods into your food plan. Fermented foods, like kefir and kimchi, introduce beneficial probiotics that help restore balance in your gut. Fiber-rich vegetables like broccoli and asparagus provide essential fuel for gut bacteria, promoting digestion and reducing inflammation. Prebiotic foods such as garlic and onions act as food for the good bacteria, helping them thrive. Whole organic grains, like oats and quinoa, are excellent sources of fiber and prebiotics. They enhance microbial diversity and reduce inflammation. Polyphenol-rich foods like dark chocolate and blueberries offer powerful antioxidants that protect your gut lining. Lastly, bone broth, with its gelatin, collagen and amino acids, helps repair and strengthen the gut barrier, promoting healing and reducing inflammation. So, by including these 6 powerhouse foods in your food plan, you'll be taking proactive steps toward better gut health, improving digestion, and preventing a wide range of health issues. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.